I say she got show a thing for him or whatever, isn't me? I say so. But I'm Masicka. What's wrong? Are you good?
What did he say?
Okay.
Huh? Can you like rewind, go back? What did you
Yeah, I
say?
got show a thing for him or what? Like Masicka, like rate him, like, you know? Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. That shit fine, you know what I mean?
I was like,
Like what?
just trying to understand.
Yeah, true a different photo though. That one didn't look good. The dog now on that shirt that like him have a earring. And then I walk. What? So in this video, y'all, I had my American friend rate or choose between a few Jamaican artists, which one she would like, which one she would let hit. However, she did not know that I was going to be talking in my Jamaican accent. Y'all, this was a very funny video. I hope y'all enjoy it. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Let's get straight to the video. What's up, YouTube? It's up on Tyrekevlogs, and I'm back with another video for you guys. Yeah, I know y'all miss me, you feel me? But anyways, y'all, I'm back. I got someone beautiful with me. Anyways, and I got a banger for y'all today, you feel me? Tell the people who you are. Tell them about yourself.
What's up, y'all? I'm Nisi, the owner of X-Bar Beauty. Make sure you follow me on my business account and my main account at Barbie Nisi, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I got some bangers coming for the summer, baby.
Bangers coming for the summer, baby. If you ready? Oh, wait, like the video. You know what I mean? If you're new, subscribe to the channel because we're finna go crazy too all summer, you feel me? I'm trying to tune it down because y'all know me. I'm very... You seen the channel, so you know what's up, you feel me? But I'm trying to tune down a little bit. Go kids friendly for y'all in a minute. But anyways, today we got a few artists from Jamaica that she finna rate them. She finna compare them, you feel me? Why she for peeking already? Like, hold on. Yeah, what she I mean, she got show the thing for them, isn't me? I said, right? Yeah, I tried for them. Anyway, so the first one, right? I said she got show the thing for them or whatever, isn't me? I said so. But I'm Masicka. What's wrong? Are you good?
What did he say?
You okay?
Huh? Can you like rewind, go back? What did you say?
I got show the thing for them or what? Like, Masicka, like, rate him, like, you know? Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. That shit fine, you know what I mean?
I was like,
Like what?
just trying to understand.
Yeah, true a different photo though. That one didn't look good.
Because I'm slow and I'm trying to understand. Okay.
Yeah.
It's still giving the same thing, but...
Same thing. My boy fresh. But the dog, what on?
And the other picture is the same thing. Like, it's just still giving... Let me go to the other picture.
Different. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I probably would, honestly.
Probably would what? Yeah.
I was mad.
Want to hear music? Let me play something for you.
We'll see.
You see?
Because I feel like I probably heard music before and just didn't know that was him.
You ain't heard this shit.
I haven't.
I'm not sure about the kind of thing for the song for girls. But, what?
Because I was confused. All I heard was like girls. What you said?
I ain't said nothing. Oh, I was saying I don't think you have any songs for that females twerk to or whatever. So this is one of his songs.
May just put me on some new music. You know?
I don't even remember this shit, honestly. Does he look the same? Does he look the same way as he does in the photos? You don't even know one thing what he says. Talk about you like it.
I mean, but I can kind of understand.
If stop one buckler, like cause I like you out there. There's one thing what the dog just said a while ago.
Hello, like maybe.
Yeah. But you don't know one thing what I'm saying. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about it like it. You don't know what I'm saying. What I'm saying. But what I'm saying?
I heard a few things. All I heard was booty.
He did not say the word booty. He did not say nothing about booty. He said everybody give them an update. You see?
Oh, okay. Now I heard it.
No.
But it took me time to process it, like
booty. You hear what he said just there? He said girl love buckers. Top girl him fuck straight. What I mean by that? Basically he's saying females love back shots.
I thought I was gonna say she for the streets.
Bitches.
That's what I was gonna say.
No, girl love buckers. Buckers are back shot. Back shot, like doggy.
Okay, teach me something then.
I just told you, I just teach you something. You love buckers?
Buckers.
Do you love back shots? You like back shots?
Nope.
You don't like back shots?
Nope.
You don't like back shots?
I'm a missionary kind of person.
You're an old mother. That's some old people shit. My mother look in your eyes and shit.
Yeah, all it. And a bag of chips with a soda on the side.
Anyways, let's move on to another artist because she over here, the mama and papa missionary style. Look at that.
Who else?
That was
be
a good
somebody
one.
decent.
Somebody decent?
So I'd be like, oh yeah.
Well, I have the general right now on the people. So we have the dog we mash up the whole of Jamaica right now. We have Skeng. You feel me? Ratty gang, bad man thing. You feel me? Check him out. Check out the picture of them, everything. Go crazy. Look at everything with the dog got right there. So go crazy. No? Yeah, if you look on the dog picture good for a second, so look on the dog song one like you know like what the dog.
What did he say?
Select a picture then. Yeah. Scroll down man and find something good. The dog. I mean the dog have tattoo and beating.
Okay, right here.
Share and put the dog.
I mean right
That
here.
is not Skeng. Who the fuck is this? Is an American dude. What the fuck? This is Skeng. Yeah. 420 the dog got smoke a big head spliff.
And maybe it's the tattoos for me.
You don't like tattoos?
I like the tattoos.
So you like this photo right here?
Yeah.
I thought you said dude was ugly though. What's
But I
up?
feel like I don't know what it is. It's just maybe it's the angle. Maybe it's the
What's this? This is an evil somebody now. Bad man.
okay,
This
right
is
there he looked like he need to school back just a little bit.
a bad man. This is not. If you look at them, and two of them shoot you.
Huh?
If you look at them two, like if you look at them two of them shoot you. Yeah, what I just say? What I just said? If you look at him, if you stare at him too hard, he's gonna shoot you. That's the look he gave me right there. Evil person is he looking at, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah, I thought you said you like hood niggas though.
I do, but I don't know.
I know.
Like I said, it's probably just a tattoo.
You want to hear his music? Man, I'm gonna put you onto his music too.
I can dance to anything. I'm black. Let's see.
Let me see.
Cause I can do a dance to the last song you put up.
Really? Y'all gotta go check out her IG. She be dancing over there.
That's all I do.
She flexible. Our last video I saw her mother put her feet up. She split standing up, my y'all. Anyways, let me put y'all real quick. Yeah, I ain't gonna cap. Anyways, yeah. So watching for him cut the fist. So I don't know that song. And y'all they gonna go off of me. You feel me? So choose something that
okay, here we go.
choose something with recent because yeah, they gonna like that one. You know you heard that? Need to get like a Jamaican man we can defend it at anything, bro. This is one with a female. You heard one thing you knew.
That's what I was saying.
Alright, so out of the two artists, right? Skeng Masicka.
Yeah, I like her niggas, but like,
Who, him?
yeah.
Alright, I got one more for you. Intence.
Masicka.
Intence. How the name song? Intence. You know sound good? Intence, his name is Intence. Yeah. Sound like someone you could work with.
Like,
She over here like, man.
I'm confused. Like, I don't know what to say.
Alright, there we go. Check it out. Tatted. Everything you want. You feel me? I say, yeah. Everything on pint. Yeah, let me go crazy. Bleach out, tattoo on face, everything.
Honest or I don't like the tattoo in the center, but I guess it's different. I'm not really like a light skin kind of. I like chocolate. Here you go. Thank you.
Oh, valid share, valid intense in yo.
I like some chocolate.
Hold on. You want chocolate? Alright, I'm sure.
I like chocolate.
I asked her she want chocolate. Like,
No offense to my light skins out there and to my brown skins, but I love me some chocolate. That's just me.
Yeah, I wish I had them at Jamaica black. I mean, you know, they got everybody bleach out them skin. Alkaline. Let's see.
They told me throw it back.
Look, this is the same person, right? So look at this dude, right? You see him? Looks light skin, right? And this is him. That's him too. And that's him too. And that's him.
So
and that's him.
Michael Jackson stuff?
And that's him.
Like,
and this is him also with black eyes.
no, that look like there's not none of him at all.
He shares some similarities. You can see it though. It's actually him. You people?
Okay, I see it. It's not giving, but still handsome. It's just not what I
Valid
would.
share, valid bad man, you know. Well, look on the picture of them good dog and stop playing with the thing that. Cause you have valid right now. Look on the dog picture of them good man. Look on that picture them right way on the man. Look.
Huh?
Look on that guy, so.
This one?
A bad man that in there? Oh, what she do with it? No, she a play. Look on it. Look on that. You play it. Hold on. God, she playing hella hard. Look. Anyways, that's been about Tyrekevlogs, you feel me? Smash a like on the video. You know what I mean? She kept her heart through the entire course of the video, but it's all good.
Very honest.
It's all good.
I just don't want to be rude.
It's all good. She acting like she's shy or whatever. But let me know if I should bring her back in some more videos. Smash a like and a comment. Let me all thoughts. Go check her out. Plug yourself again so they know where to find you.
Most definitely will.
She don't know her name. You see, she don't come prepared in yo.
I want them to see.
Okay.
Look.
So
okay.
she gonna do that when I'm finna put a screen record on the screen with her shit.
You see that? Make sure y'all click that one specifically, okay? Because we be trying to make fake accounts and stuff. So make sure it's Barbie Niecy. It ain't got no nothing else extra, no underscore, no dot.
Yeah. What she said. Anyways, that's been the boy Tyrekevlogs. Peace out of here.